let me show you how to completely disable sound on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 and essentially placed in do not disturb or mute mode essentially. So if I swipe down, basically click over here, so then sounds and vibrations. Okay, and over here basically at the bottom you have your mute over here. So if you enable it, basically your like you see basically your ringtone basically gets placed to 0, and all other sounds again will be pretty much disabled. So again, it won't disturb you. And yeah, good luck.